I'm just here at the new, what do we call it? Auto Express Wash in Christchurch, which I'm told is now the biggest car wash system in Australasia. It is a Motor City Works conveyor system, very long wash bay as you can see. It's got full-time attendants, lots of self-serve vacuum cleaners and fragrance. Very professional looking setup. Let's see what it's like. So I'm just about to test out this new Motor City Works conveyor car wash in Christchurch. As you can see, I've got let the truck get pretty dirty. Got a fair few bugs and wing mirror there. Yeah, just general road grime, not covered in mud. Look, we got that right on the passenger door. Bit of grime around there. Dusty back end, I mean that won't be hard for it to move. Dust around the rear bumper. Bit of bird poop on there. What I'll be interested to see is just how well it goes on this sort of dried on stuff. Let's see. So we're sitting in here with the radio on, telling me what to do, fit off the pedals, etc. I'm on the conveyor. These boys are just pre-soaking the car, very detailed, and getting ready to go into this big brush assembly. So they've just hit the switch and there's a lug that pops up on the chain at the right point and grabs hold of my truck. I've got the engine off and I'm in neutral. So chugging through. I've got roof racks on this, which will be interesting. So we've got these two big diamond shaped, tapered brushes that are coming across the front at the moment. Looks to be Carlite foam type brush. We've got something else soaking us again here on a row of jets. Oh, it looks like it's a sort of lava setup. And big top brush coming down. Yep, we're getting covered in foam lava here. I assume those tapered brushes are scrubbing that dust off the back at the moment.
Remember to keep your car in neutral. Turn both front and rear wipers on. Both feet must be on.
I note that the radio broadcast, I think, is just actually a loop. It's not relevant to where I am in the wash. But clever nonetheless. We've got a wee brush there doing our wheels, lower detail. Still got lava spraying down, foam spraying down. Another set of tapered brushes there. Oh, some high pressure here. Gross. That feels very high pressure. We've got one of these waterfalls coming down. Roof mop there.
$49. This enables you to wash your vehicle every day for a month. The Fleet Wash Club is the same price with 12 washes per month. T's and C's apply. Auto Express Wash have a range of
big roof mop getting dragged right over. And we brushes, another set of brushes, just side brushes I believe, and then we appear to have a huge array of blowers here. We've got these on neoprene tubes blowing down. I don't know if you can see all of them, but that is a lot of horsepower blowing through. Big blower on an angle there, big blower out my window here. Oh, we seem to have some drying brushes here. Dry and shine. Oh no, she's telling me to get ready to exit now. So we've got a light that's obviously going to turn green once I get to the end of the conveyor. Pretty impressive. If you can see in the rear vision there, the drying brushes are doing the back.
range of prepaid.
I know they haven't come in.
Silver or bronze. 951.
So just doing a quick walk around now. I mean, there was bugs very heavily on this mirror. You can see on the top and the side, it's really polished it up. There is still some bug splatter around this flat face here, but done a very good job. On the grill here, it was probably pretty hard to see in the video, but this had a lot of bugs on it. There's still a little bit of residue on there, but pretty darn good. I mean, you would have had to scrub very hard by hand to get that off, and it's done a pretty amazing job. The wheels are really good. There's the odd spot deep in the wheels that it hasn't reached, but I mean, very hard to get that. Same with the mirror there, very polished on the top and side, a little bit of bug splatter on the front still, but very good. You can see the crud that was on the door is gone completely, so we're looking very shiny. And then the back here was very dusty, including dust all over that bumper. It's looking very clear now, so very impressive system. Well, I'm really impressed with that Motor City Works conveyor car wash system. Very fast, very effective, clean parts of the vehicle I didn't expect it to, and very competitive cost. For $24 I've got the car washed and in vacuum fragrance inside, so great value.